raining. Look, but same way, we are fry up the chicken the said way, people, yeah? A good vibes. Fully cooking in the rain, people, yeah? Big up yourself, you don't know what I want. Yeah, man, it's a stew chicken and hard food to the people, yeah? It's Sunday as well, you know, I'm out. It's Sunday in England. Look at the weather that we're getting. Yeah, man, but I said that, bro, I'm coming down to the riverside, said way, to put in the work, people, yeah? Big up yourself, we're in season 8. Yeah, man, I'm outside, fully active. A good vibe, said way. Rotted, look, I'm trying to just dish out now, but it's gone peak now, people. Yeah, man, it's peak now. The weather has come down. There, sir. We're trying to deal with the food, people. Are good vibes. Yes, everybody, it's another day. We're out. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, the lifestyle. Had to set up a fire right here. Everybody just keep it warm. It's raining out today. So, yeah, man, it's a whole day camping. But the rain actually come down today, people. But, you know, so we set up the tent and everything. Yeah, man. The river there, riverside, bare rain today, people. Yeah, man, I got a next big piece of fire, yeah, so I just go on, but the rain, I go on, said way. But yeah, man, we have fire out, so said way, people. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're there. Season 8, we're there. Yes, people, it's raining, but I still need wood to keep this fire going. It's a good thing that, yeah, find some dry wood out here. A good vibes. Yes, people, welcome to season 8. We're there outside, cooking in the rain, riverside. Yeah, man, we're doing a chicken and hard food, people. Come in and have a look. So yeah, man, just a fry up some chicken. Rain and fall out here. Big up yourself, people, yeah? Alright. So look, we're there by the riverside and we are doing. We're cooking in the rain, people. They said that there's gonna be a storm in England today, but I said, raw, I'm still coming out, still gonna be putting in the work, people, yeah? So you don't know what to do, people, yeah? I need you guys to really get this one out here for me, people. Give a big rugby kick for me. Whoosh! Outside. Yeah, man. Riverside settings, and we're fully active, people, inside of the rain. Yeah, man, spin the camera around and look and see. Bubble did this, sir. Stand up, and now do nothing, and just there watch. Alright. Yeah, man. It's raining, look, but same way, we are fry up the chicken the said way, people, yeah? A good vibes. Yes, people, so I set on the next pot to boil the food. And yeah, man, the chicken them just are brown up right now, just a fry. And then what I'm going to do after they fry up, I got the Scotch bonnet pepper, the thyme, the garlic, and the onion, and some all-purpose seasoning mix. Yeah, man, that is it. Got a fire down there, so tent is there, set up, people, yeah. Yeah, man, we're there so by the riverside. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active, people, fully outside. A good vibe. See it there? Yeah, man. Fully cooking in the rain, people, yeah. Big up yourself, you don't know what I go on. Yeah, man, it's a stew chicken and hard food to the people, yeah. It's Sunday as well, you know, I'm out. It's Sunday in England. Look at the weather that we're getting. Yeah, man, but I said that, raw, I'm coming down to the riverside, said way, to put in the work, people, yeah. Big up yourself, we're in season 8. Yeah, man, I'm outside, fully active. A good vibe, said way. Ah, that is it. Let me say golden brown, people. Yeah, man, golden brown. A good vibe. And the riverside. Yeah, man, a good vibes, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Yeah, this is one of them ones there, people, where, you know, say where I cook up some food, well, a vibe, said way. Yeah, man, it's an energy, said way. I just want to big up everybody that's on the program, locked in all over the road. We've got a few subscribers over in various parts of the road, people, yeah. Each and every one of you, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're there, we're on the journey, we're on the move. Nothing now stop the movement. Nothing now stop the kitchen, people, yeah. Whether it's rain, sun, sleet, whatever it is. Yeah man, I'm outside active because guess what? Back in the day, my grandparents, them, no matter what the weather was, they had to eat food. And no matter what climate it was, yeah man, we still did a cook pan wood fire. Yeah man, we still did a cook pan wood fire. So I'm just following the traditional thing that I grew up to back home in Jamaica. Yeah man, wood fire cooking outside, fully active and bad. Look at that, man. That's what I'm talking about. Everything done, fry up and ready. I've taken the pan off the fire. Yeah man, the hard food, I'm gonna start peeling up the food to go in the pot. Season 8, we're there. Cooking outside in the rain, people, yeah, are good vibes. Big up yourself wherever you are in the world right now. 24-hour kitchen is on the go. Alright, so I'm putting all the ingredients from back into the pot, people. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so look and see what I go on now. So the chicken I go on stew down, and then we've got the hard food there. So we wash off the potatoes with the skin on. Yeah man, cause them type of potatoes don't need to peel. And that is it. We just put them in the pot, people, yeah? Good vibes. Yeah man, good vibes. That is it. Yes, people say with the outside fully active and you don't know, say yeah man, the 2 pot them up on the fire. I go on what? Bubble down. Bubbler. Yeah. Are you named Bubbler, you know? Yeah, and the pot of bubble, you know? Bumble clot. Oi! YouTube don't know them language there, but you don't know, so me I use it in a positive way. Not in a derogative way, but in a good way. Because I say what? Everything's almost what? Completion. Look how set the fire, them people, yeah. Real fire, man. Listen up. Look, I'm gonna spin the camera. Look, everyone, you see how I catch the fire? Yeah, man. Potato and yam. And look at some stew chicken. Whoa, mad thing. No artificial color, no gravy granules, no nothing. What's going on here inside of this pot, people, yeah? Let me show you what I go on. The color from the chicken, that golden brown color that you must have checked said it burn, it never burned. All that was happening was, it was just coating up for this process here, people, yeah, are good vibes. So in about 5 minutes, I'm going to take off this one here, the chicken pot. Because you don't know, say, yeah man, the rain stopped fall now, and the weather ease up our way, so are good vibes. Alright, let's check in on the pot, people. Cause I feel like the things are really going on here, so you know, have a look. Oh, look the man, pile of yam and potato. Good vibes. Stew chicken now. We might as well say we are a completion, people, yeah. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah man, we're gonna take this off in a second. Cause the chicken done stew down. We just wait for the yam pot and the potato pot to just go on complete, people. Yeah man, a good vibes. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah man, it's a good one. Right now we're camping out and we're staying here. They said that it's going to be a thunderstorm, so I want to catch a piece of it. Hopefully my little piece of tent that I got over there, so don't blow away. Bubbler, you turn out here with me today? Bubbler said maybe he might stay. Bubbler now stay. Once it get dark, Bubbler run. Once it get dark and there's no more sunlight, Bubbler's gone. All right, people. Next time you see me come back on, food we I eat. Big up yourself. We're there. Rotted, look, I'm trying to just dish out now, but it's gone peak now, people. Yeah, man, it's peak now. The weather's come down. There, sir. We're trying to deal with the food, people. Are good vibes, good vibes. Yes, people, respect, bear rain and fall. So yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen, we're there. Good vibes. So the thing's setting up, people. Yeah, man. Same way outside, man. Rain, said way, people. Fire still a burn. Don't know what time it is. Bubble and mash up the chicken. I'm gonna mash up some food so do you. A good vibe, that's the vibration now, one love and one unity of people. What me say? Good vibes, 24-hour kitchen. Fire there, so I cook off the day, blaze off the day. Yeah man, and we there so said we happy Sunday, cause today our Sunday. Yeah man, so you might see this one, yeah? The following Sunday, so now watch no face. Good vibes.